Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn Aarc University login. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Aarc University account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you have to search for Aarc University login. And after searching for that, here you can find the first option, sign in. You just have to tap on that option. And after tapping on that option, what you have to do is scroll down, and after scrolling down here you can find sign in, and you have to enter your username or email address and then enter the password. And after entering your username and email address and password, what you can do is just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in you will successfully sign into your Aarc University account. But if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just tap on I forgot password, or you can find your account by tapping on find my account by email address. And if you want to learn more about Aarc University, what you can do is just contact customer service, and by contacting their customer service you will find out more about Aarc University. So that's it guys. After changing your password, you just have to come here and then enter your username or email address and password, and then tap on sign in, and you will successfully sign into your Aarc University account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.